Okay. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Anushka Sharma and I hope you all are doing absolutely okay. सब अपने घर पर हो, safe हो, healthy हो. I just wish that. And I'm also at my home and doing absolutely nothing. But yes, I am at my home, safe and healthy. Also I have not uploaded any video last week. You might have noticed it, I don't know, but yeah, I didn't because actually someone in my family is COVID positive and a lot of problems are going on, so I'm not in a mood to shoot and upload anything, so I didn't. And today it's kind of a book video. Like, I'm gonna tell you some of my favorite books that you can read in the lockdown and you can enjoy and so of course I am upstairs at the छत because यार मैं नीचे कल 2 बार ब्लॉग करने की कोशिश करी. मेरे घर में लोगों को चुप रहने की आदत नहीं है. So yeah. Okay, so I am here with my books that I will show you. Also last week मेरा बर्थडे भी था, so मैंने कुछ बुक्स ऑर्डर करी थी अपने लिए as a gift from me to me. So I'm gonna show you that also. And yeah, let's start the video. Okay, so the first book that I love. Also I don't have any book which I love because वो सब मैंने अपने friends family में दे रखी हैं because they have to read them. So my first favorite book is A Thousand Splendid Suns by Khaled Hosseini. It's a beautiful book. I love that book, honestly. I literally cried when I read that book on a certain chapter. अगर आपने पढ़ी होगी तो आपको पता होगा मैं कौन chapter पे रोई हूँ because that was a beautiful book. मतलब it's about a girl who got married when she was very young. It's also about another girl. Yeah, it's like that. And my favorite character in that video, no, not video, in the book, my favorite character in the book is Laila. I loved her, I adore her, and she really taught me a lot of things, and I love Laila. So that was my first favorite book, and you should read that book. Next favorite book is A Man Called Ove. Yeah, it's by Frederick Backman, and that book in the starting was kind of irritating. That character Ove is kind of irritating in the starting, but when I kept reading, I started loving that character. I started loving the story and everything. It was so beautiful. So there was a guy called Ove जिसकी वाइफ की डेथ हो जाती है and वो अकेले रहता है. It tells about the relationship of Ove with his neighbors and everything, and obviously that book was so beautiful, so you should give it a try and you should read. और यहाँ पे कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रही है कहीं तो प्लीज़ उसके लिए भी सॉरी. Okay, so my next favorite book is Palace of Illusion by Chitra Banerjee, and again it's a beautiful book. You can't help, all of these books are my absolutely favorite, and this book is again my favorite because it's about Mahabharat but from Draupadi's point of view. So it's a different and very different story that you have not, मतलब आपने सुनी भी नहीं होगी, of course, ऐसा कुछ. You should read it. And the last book, my favorite book, is by my favorite writer Haruki Murakami. I love Haruki Murakami. I love his writing. I love the way he writes, the way he explains every small thing in his book. And मैं मतलब खो जाती हूँ जब मैं हारुकी मुराकामी की बुक्स पढ़ती हूँ. एंड इट्स नॉर्वेजियन वुड. आई नो कुछ लोगों ने बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी अच्छी बुक्स अभी तक पढ़ी होंगी. मैंने अभी तक 2 ही पढ़ी है मुराकामी की, एंड नॉर्वेजियन वुड इज़ माई फेवरेट. नॉर्वेजियन वुड इज़ अबाउट अ गाय एंड अ गर्ल ऑफ कोर्स, एंड इट्स जस्ट अमेजिंग. मतलब मैं समरी वगैरह कुछ नहीं दूंगी, बस मैं बताऊंगी दैट यू शुड रीड इट. स्टार्टिंग में आई थी अगर आपको मुराकामी को पढ़ना स्टार्ट करना है, नॉर्वेजियन वुड इज़ द बेस्ट बुक टू स्टार्ट reading Murakami, and Norwegian Wood is amazing. So go and read Norwegian Wood. Also, yeah, like that's it for my favorite books. Also, you might be thinking ki what kind of video this is. I'm sorry यार, because when I started YouTube, I thought कि मैं बाहर जाऊँगी, मतलब मैंने जो भी कंटेंट सोच रखा था वो सब ये था कि मैं बाहर जाऊँगी, बाहर जाके ये शूट करूँगी, वो शूट करूँगी. घर का कोई कंटेंट था नहीं मेरे पास. बट नाउ एज इतनी वर्स्ट सिचुएशन चल रही है, लॉकडाउन हो गया है, हम घर पर हैं, तो मेरे दिमाग में जो आ रहा है मैं वो शूट कर रही हूँ. एंड आई होप आप लोगों को पसंद आए. ओके, इनफ ऑफ explanation. Now we straightly go to the haul of the books that I've ordered, and there are 4 books that I've ordered. First one is again Murakami. It's After Dark by Haruki Murakami. And अभी मैंने I think मैं 4th chapter पर ही हूँ इस book की, and I am liking this book no doubt, and it's going good. Let's see how it goes. Like I am really excited to read Murakami. I am very excited. मुझे हर book पढ़नी है Murakami की, and that's why I'm reading Murakami. Sorry, I told you construction चल रही है. Oh God, कोई मुझे shoot ही नहीं करने देता यार. Okay, so the next book is also by Murakami. It's Sputnik's Sweetheart. अगर इसको ऐसे ही pronounce करते हैं, I don't know. Don't judge me, guys. So yeah, this is also Murakami's, and I'm really excited. I told you I'm really excited about Murakami's book. So I've ordered 2 Murakami's books. That's going to sit here. Okay, so the next book is The God of Small Things. It's by Arundhati Roy. And मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों से सुना है कि you should read this, you should read this. So I thought कि why not give it a try. Okay, so the last book is, I'm a Potterhead. So if you're gonna judge me, you can. But if you're not a Potterhead, I'm gonna judge you. So my last book is Harry Potter's Philosopher's Stone. And oh God, I love Harry Potter. I adore Harry Potter. I don't know कि मतलब किसी को Harry Potter कैसे पसंद नहीं हो सकती. I am completely a Potterhead, and oh God, I'm such a crazy person. Excited. Okay, so that's it for my books. मैंने 4 ही books मंगवाई हैं, and I'm gonna finish it, and I will see कि कैसी लगती है. I'm really excited to read all of my books. Also, when I was thinking that I'm gonna shoot about my book, so I think I'm gonna tell you about my favorite book, the most important book that I have, and this is Matilda by Roald Dahl, and this is my first book. Okay, I love this book. I totally love this book. Oh my God, like you can literally see it's written Anushka Sharma, my first book in the year 2013. I started reading in 2013, and I am loving this reading thing. But this book is so special to me because मतलब आप देख सकते हो इसकी टेप लग रही है, इसका कवर है ही नहीं, बट मैं बुक कभी फेंकूंगी नहीं बिकॉज इट इज़ माई फर्स्ट बुक. स्वीट हार्ट. ओनली पर्पज़ ऑफ मेकिंग दिस वीडियो कि यार इतनी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स चल रही है ना लाइफ में, सबकी ही चल रही है, इट्स नॉट अबाउट मी ओनली. तो मे बी मैं आपको कुछ भी पॉजिटिव, कुछ एनर्जी ट्रांसफ़र कर पाई हूँ. बट अगर आपने इस पूरी वीडियो में एक बार भी स्माइल करा हो, प्लीज़ लाइक द वीडियो, कमेंट डाउन क्या पसंद आया आपको, एंड शेयर विद योर लव्ड वंस. जो भी जिनको भी आपको लगता है कि हंसने की बहुत ज़रूरत है, उन्हें भेज दो. मेरी बकवास सुन के कोई ना कोई तो हंसी देगा. सो ओके, आई एम गोना गो नाउ. इट्स डन, एंड आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट वीक विथ समथिंग more interesting. I'm trying. Okay, and yeah, I will see you later. Bye, be safe, stay at home, and just try to smile. Okay, just try to be happy. That will gonna work for you. Okay, bye.